CipherStation offers two core functionalities. We'll begin by examining the RelayStation module, an anonymous message exchange using cryptographic dead drops. Step 1. Encode your plain text with a classical cipher and key of your choice. Step 2. Encrypt your ciphered message with encryption of your choice and set a password. Step 3. Send the encrypted payload to the RelayStation and get a ticket. No account, only a ticket number. Step 4. Person B enters the ticket number. Step 5. Person B enters the password to decrypt the message. This reveals the encoded text, still protected by a classical cipher. Step 6. Person B chooses the cipher and enters the key to fully decode the message. No data is stored or logged. Now we'll take a look at our other core functionality, cryptanalysis. Our classical ciphers tool can auto-crack ciphers through genetic algorithms, simulated annealing, frequency analysis, and multidimensional pattern recognition to crack classical ciphers with high accuracy. In the first test, it will attempt to auto-detect and crack a Caesar cipher. Running on M1 Mac. Performance scales with CPU, GPU, so go to GitHub and run it on your local environment to achieve maximum privacy and speed. Now, our algorithm will auto-detect Vigenère cipher and attempt to crack it with keyword-based search. Our system supports custom word lists, quadgrams, giving you endless possibility to use your own custom word list. In the third test, we will attempt to crack ROT13 in real time. CipherStation auto-detects ciphers using built-in pattern analysis, tested with the quick brown fox in this case. In this test, our cryptanalysis tool cracks the XOR cipher. It auto-detects hex key in seconds while running on M1 Mac. In the last test, we will attempt to crack Atbash cipher, each letter mirrored in the alphabet. Now we'll quickly take a look at the command line interface. After cloning the repo, run python app.py to launch your own Flask server. Run python cryptocracker.py-. Dash help to display the help menu. Full usage, flags, and examples are documented in the GitHub README and our official documentation page. This was my CS50x project. Links will also be mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching.